I am writing this. This is mine. Oh, it is mine. Year 2021, I start to do such this. And then, even the counting of money, they tends to copy it and then putting it on education even though that is mine. And yet, they is killing me. Mine is mine. But person be dead. The killer at the moment is on a thinking process on my right eye of such as getting extraction of my knowledge, intelligence, the energy, and then what it is pertains on to they is on creation of situation on the use of black magic of which is if I did something, they will not did something. That is childish, pambobo, mga bobo they're doing. And then that is a doing of bad person. So that to put me on a situation of uh, kagipitan. Kagipitan is Tagalog word. Wait, I'm talking. In English word, lack on sources, something such that. And then what it is on myself, mine is mine. Myself is being killed on this situation. They is getting of what is mine, even though mine is mine. They should be dead. They should be killed. I not want them. And then I have a lover. My love life is what they're targeting. That is what they're used to blackmail me. Of which is they is killer, bad person, criminal, bobo camouflage is criminal. Am I being understood? They is wastes my energy so that myself being a college degree is on a situation of not pampering and relaxation lifestyle and yet they is getting the intelligence from myself of which is they not want me to work, they not want me to be uh, to has achievement on life a doing and yet they is killing me, they is looking and which is they is just erotic that which is I wish they be dead. On my first notebook, I put in there my traveling with Alex Junior ko, and yet they not want it to happen. What it is, they feels about angriness, annoy. Annoy intensity here Philippine is 10. 1 to 10 is 10. The Tagalog word is naiinis. That leads to angriness. I wish karma of them even though they is putting on silence on their ear. I wish their lifestyle karma because they talks even though they not talks on my ear at this moment. They talks on previous year, on 7 year of black magic. It starts year 2017. At the moment, my father is putting myself is on scareness mode. The right eye is putting that. What else could I say? There is more that I need to say. They is doble cara. They is bad person and then they will turn themselves into good person even though they is bad person on myself. They is killing my being dalagang Filipina here Philippine. That is how they is killer. even my personality and attitude, they putting it on, such as they tends to get it on the use of black magic, and then what is being put on myself is hurting, which is myself is they putting heart pain illness, chest pain. Heart pain illness tends to vomit blood, chest pain, and then hypertension and diabetes. Erotic ba? Am I being understood if I say erotic they is? I have a boyfriend, and then what they're doing is assuming. My boyfriend is 6 feet and 6 inch, thick eyebrow, straight hair, brownish skin color. My God, and college degree, civil engineer. It ha, my boyfriend has line in here, and then oval is the nostril. The lip is heart shape. That is my boyfriend description. What the right eye is doing is they assume. They tends to assume. Kadiri, erotic they is. That is how this country is so pervert. HIV and AIDS cancer illness should truthfulness happens because of their attitude. Cancer, that is combination of HIV and AIDS to to one person, one count of person. Ang kapal na mukha, bobo. Pukpukin mo nanay mo. Sabihin kung sino-sino. My love life is Alex Jr. ko. Continuous is my love life. Please naman no help. The slash head is so criminal. Nakakadiri. Kabansutan. Seriousness, kadiri. Me and Alex Jr. ko has already baby. And yet there is a person that interfere, not include on the life. I wish that bobo camouflage slash head, even family and family relative. And then my baby is to foreigner. I not want gold digger. And then I am pure. This is how they treat a pure person of which is not includes on their life, and yet they is killer. At the moment they is putting me on clingy mode even though I am not clingy to that person. Nandidiri nga ako eh. Illness that person. So, The cousin of my father has connection on the sound radio. Killer vibes she is even on Venice Canal, Grand Canal. What she is getting is such getting this. On myself, I have such that. Bakit? Ano meron? In English, why? What it is about? About, when I say about, uh, description, not information. It is a learning, such as an English language learning myself, such that. I'm not bobo. Myself is being killed. I am a bride. I not want them. Mine is mine. If being put that is on education, the figure has no effect on me. Black magic? Not no. I not know. I not know black magic eh. I was such this drawing. Such this drawing. The 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 paper that is being used is, I am thinking if it is white or gray. Timid ko. I not know about it. I am just being person and yet he is looking. I am honest person. Na-wanted person. Alex lover ko. Myself and Alex Jr. ko swear to each other the love life is continuous until death. So the kabit in here should be killed. Nakakadiri. That is not too proud of. I am specific. I am just behave in this country. And yet they myself is putting on such this and then what? Gold digger on baby. There is gold digger on baby. I am the person that talks and yet they tends to get of what is mine. Kinlang damdaman ko. Person to person, there is killer. Instead of myself is already with Alex Jr. ko to enjoy life. Ala, weak chick. Oh my god. Who is this person? I am love life of Alex ko. The bobo camouflage should be dead. Ano? I wish that person be dead because of what is being doing, ruining my life. Who else about the sound? Not the sound. That is at the moment could I say on sound. But attitude this. Alex Jr. ko should take note of it. Being a bad person of a person, such as saying of Rachel Gementisa Sr. and then getting of what is mine. Nandidiri ako. Yes, si Alex lover ko. Alex, may concern ka pa ba sa akin? Yung totoo. Manuel Quezon the First, isa niyang pangalan. Me and Alex Jr. ko swear to each other at inside of classroom, person to person. My memory, Alex, is being destroyed of the bubo camouflage. Alex, binabastos ako. Wedding ko. Not, they is putting me on a situation of walking on aisle. Alex, magkaiba yung walking on aisle on pureness, shyness. So walking on aisle of which is they is putting on dirtiness. Magkaiba yon. I am not pertains to Arisa Cheo. Ano yun? Siya una kong, siya, what is that mean? The first entertainment artist to be known? That is not my body movement. That is a model of my life. But I am not, that is not my body movement. On myself is photo of her. At the moment I saying it, the bobo camouflage is anger on my right eye because of the person is putting me on poor lifestyle. Hindi kang maghirap, bobo camouflage, not myself, but not my family. Because sa buhay namin, makabobo. At the moment the bobo camouflage is thinking, my energy is being waste. What else could I say? Feelings on that coin. Concern is myself on my healthness. Maybe it has effect. I not know. Why? What do I think? No effect? I not know black magic. I said it on the pamphlet of my cousin. And yet, I feel scared when I cite it. My first notice is they is looking on my situation, on my doing. And then, scaredness is my feeling. So now, talking, may tao, I feel scared. It has no effect on me. Effect meaning danger, none. I not want black magic. What is alternative? Number. This one is coin. Circle. Number. They looking on it, on myself. I am inside of the house. That is wrong. See? What if it is coin being put in there? Specific realization. Hmm. There is person clinging na on that person. specific realization about learning. Oh, that is good, specific. But I am a specific person. Kaya nga, 20th century kids nowadays is intelligence 1 to 10 tends to be 9 or 10, 8 or 9, sometimes 10. Mine is mine. So, myself should be to my baby. Oh, myself should be to my baby. Not you. I have no C, letter R, letter U, letter S, letter H. What else could they say more? But it is fun. Fun is my feeling. Happy, happy. So they will be happy as well. Feeling high, myself will be covered or will be such this. Not want you. Hmm? Hmm. The level of them and then level of myself. Kaya nga, they is K to 12 and then I am high school. But it is a drawing. They will tend to assume. No, but that is my drawing. Year 2021. What do you... Truthfulness is truthfulness. I will talk. Truthfully. Mostly what is being get on myself is feeling, love feeling of such as behave, softness, and then boyfriend, girlfriend to Alex Jr. ko. That is the being getting on myself as well as calmness. Myself is putting on angriness because that is the person, specific person on my right eye, right ear, angry person. The kabit, I behave at the moment. Na onto person on my ear. Into Si Elaine, alis siya. I wish talaga that person could. At the moment, my father is on the other side, on the stairs. Learning is not it is. Never. It is only tortures. Namatay ka, babe. Shucks. Dapat sa simbahan ito ko makakadiri-diris. Yaho. If myself is not being uh, out of this situation, then the technology in black magic here Philippine is not effective when it comes onto cureness because of the attitude.
Hindi ko ba na nainitan dyan? Ha?
Nainitan.
Ilapit mo, electric pan mo ilagay. Kunin ko kaya yung electric mo doon sa kanto. Yung meron kang electric pan dito yung... hindi ko na po yun. Ilan ba yung electric mo doon naka? Yung isa doon sa kwarto, yung palagay sa gilid, meron ba ron?
Yun nasa tuktok only.
Yun lang.
Sa tuktok.
Maaari naman dito. Hindi ako nito. Idikit mo dyan, ilapit mo. Ha?
Mm. not happy. My happiness is to Alex Jr. ko only. What else could I say? Bawal silip buhay. I could not enjoy my life because of those person that is looking on my life. Ang ngitang yan. Ganda ko. Akin lang, Alex ko. At the moment, the magic of Kabit number 2 is on such as debate. So they is not wants me to be on a situation of pampering and relaxation. They just want me to talk and then be dead. So killer is that person is. This is my coin purse. Ta-da! I put it ribbon on it, ribbon lace. This is my second coin purse. I like it, the color black. I'm on black color tone. I will talk now on May. What I could feel when I talk. Uh, it is being returned on myself the intelligence of my own. And then the backer of kabit tends to snatch it because they is getting it from me. Kabit number 2 and then bobo camouflage. So I am on a situation of getting my they tends to get my intelligence and then they is feeling high wherein the value is good side but on myself my intelligence I talk and then the value I not side. I not use black magic and then they use black magic. They is high level. What else could I say? May softness is erotic the girl genders. The Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri, especially Precious Crucendico. Who else is feeling high on my softness? Oh, they use black magic at the moment. They put me on dizziness. The right eye is on dizziness. About the softness. The criminal. The bad person. Oh, that is what is being getting on the use of black magic. The white on myself. They tends to get it. They is bad person, and then when it comes onto talking, they turns themselves onto good person even though they is bad person. Doble cara is what I call it. Bad person is bad person. Good person is good person. Kakaloka. Even the talking on my ear, they when they get of mine, they use black magic, and then they tends to be of such as the something such that the sound of tone, voice tone. Mine is mine. Goodness is me. Alex, this is how you treat a girl. Gender. Your mother is killing me. Is that the description of your mother? I'm not Bobo. Alex, grabe ka naman. And then when it comes onto a child, grabe naman yan, Alex. Your mother is not similar to myself. Alex, babae ako. Yung ibang babae nga dyan eh. Pinag-a-activity pa ng magulang, samantalang saan rito lang sa bahay binabastos ako. Paano ko may enjoy yung sarili ko kung may nakatingin? Doing of a killer? Killing self? I wish they be dead. Alex, 29 na ako. Ayaw kong makipag-socialize sa mga nasa tenga ko. Nauwan dislocation. Kinyon. About talking in America about law. I say such that I could not remember the sentence. Alex, ayaw ko makihalubilo sa nasa tenga ko. Nakakadiri, Alex. Diyos ko. Alex, gising ka ba? Wala akong ginawang masama, oh. Gising ka ba? Di ako drama-drama. Totoo sinasabi ko. Gising ka ba? Nakakadiri yung boses sa tenga ko. Kriminal ay kriminal. Ay, Diyos ko. Alex! Binabastos ako, Alex! Alam mo ka mo! Kriminal ka! Mamatay ka! Alex! Tao ka pa ba, Alex? Di ako nagmamagic. Binabastos ako sa kulam, Alex! Ano? Mo, mamatay ka! Ano, Alex? Inggit ba yan? Grabe naman, kriminal! So, sa Pilipinas, pag inggit yung tao, kriminal. Sana umaalingasaw yung sa kapaligiran. Pag inggit yung tao, pinapapatay niya yung sarili niya. Sometimes, kapag, ayan na, ibinalik sa akin nung boses ko. Sometimes, it is not being happying if it is necessary to a country when it comes on to bullying. They tends to do such that so that they could know. My foot is on ache. Maganda akong babae. Alex, nakakadiri yung boses sa tenga, Alex. Di naman ginugusto, Alex. Diyos ko, Alex. Grabe talaga ginagawa sa akin. Maganda ako. Hindi ko kailangan ilantaran sa iba. Nakakadiri boses sa tenga. Illness is the voices on my ear. The voice of older sister is on my right ear. Then it turns on to Merhaida Kisay. Merhaida Kisay, Killer Vibes, year 2024. Tends to kill me, I not know why. She even hides the moment of me and Alex Jr. on computer shop during high school. That is my moment to Alex Jr. ko. Ano yun? Bit-bit niya yung buong something? Because of bad person is being bad person and yet they tends to help the bad person. On my situation, I am goodness person eh. I am on the midst of myself is being killed. Fifty-one minute and 44 second.